Welcome to the class. Today we will learn the grammar. In your grammar book, page number 98, direct and indirect speech. Direct speech. Direct speech is a narration of the speaker's words as they are actually spoken. Direct speech makes use of quotation marks. Direct speech is a narration of the speaker's words as they are actually spoken. Direct speech makes use of quotation marks. See the sentences. Ram said to Sita, comma, quotation marks. In quotation marks, we will write Ram's words. I like swimming. Ram said to Sita, I like swimming. I like swimming. We have written in quotation marks. See, one more sentence I have written on the blackboard. I am so proud to be your father, said Papa. See the punctuation marks. In quotation marks, Papa's words are written. I am so proud to be your father. And after that, a comma. Close the quotation marks. Then, said Papa. So you should remember, in direct speech, the speaker's words are quoted directly. In direct speech, the speaker's words are quoted directly. That's the first point you should remember. Second point, the speaker is always mentioned in direct speech. See here, Ram said to Sita. Who is the speaker in this sentence? Ram. Ram is the speaker. So the second point is the speaker is always mentioned in direct speech. See the second sentence. Who is the speaker of this second sentence? Papa. Papa is the speaker. So it is mentioned here in the sentence. So the speaker is always mentioned in direct speech. That's the second point. Third point. The speaker's actual words are put within quotation marks. See the sentence. I like swimming. This is the speaker's actual words. Ram said these words. I like swimming. So these words are written in quotation marks. So speaker's actual words are written. That's the third point. So students, you should remember the points. First point, the direct speech is speaker's words. It's quoted directly. Second point, the speaker is always mentioned in direct speech. Who is the speaker that is mentioned in the direct speech? Third point, the speaker's actual words are put within quotation marks. The speaker's words are written within quotation marks. That's the third point. Now fourth point. The first word within the quotation marks begins with a capital letter. So see the sentences. I like swimming. I should start with a capital letter. The first word within the quotation marks begins with a capital letter. Now next point. The words within the quotation marks are called reported clause. See, the first sentence, which is a reported clause. I like swimming. The words within the quotation marks is called a reported clause. A reported clause. So in the first sentence, which is the reported clause? I like swimming. This is the reported clause. In the second sentence, which is the reported clause. I am so proud to be your father. This is the reported clause. I am so proud to be your father. These words are written within inverted commas. So this is the reported clause. The words with the quotation marks are called reported clause. So you should remember the points. Next point. The verb that refers to the exact words of the speaker is known as the reporting verb or the introducing verb. The verb that refers to the exact words of the speaker. The verb that refers to the exact words of the speaker is known as the reporting verb. So which is the reporting verb here? Said. This is the verb in the first sentence. In the second sentence, again, said Papa. Said is the verb. So this is called a reporting verb here. In the first sentence, said. This is the reporting verb. In the second sentence, said again is the reporting verb. Next point. A comma is put after the reporting verb when it comes before the quotation. A comma is put after the reporting verb when it comes before the quotation. See the first sentence. Reporting verb comes before the quotation. This is the quotation. I like swimming. This is the quotation. Reporting clause. So reporting verb is coming before the reporting clause. When reporting verb comes before the reporting clause, after the verb, you should write a comma. See the sentence. Ram said to see the comma. And after that you should write the reporting clause. A comma is put after the reporting verb when it comes before the quotation. See in the second sentence, reporting verb comes after the quotation. Quotation comes first here. See, I am so proud to be your father. That is the quotation. So after the quotation, you should write a comma. I am so proud to be your father, comma. Then write reporting verb, said. Said Papa. Papa is the speaker. So you should remember the point, students. Next, a comma is put after the quotation when it precedes the reporting verb. So finished. So these are the points. Total 8 points are here. In direct speech, you should remember all these points. So read these points again and again and learn by heart and remember always whenever you write direct speeches. Let's look at a few more examples. Children are not allowed in the premises, yelled the watchman. See, here in this sentence, reporting clause comes first. Children are not allowed in the premises. That is the reporting clause. Children, that is the first word. This word is started with a capital letter. That's a point. You should remember. Children. The first word is children. This word is started with a capital letter. Yelled the watchman. Who is the speaker here? Watchman. Watchman is the speaker here. Second sentence. The teacher said, you must not cheat. Here you see, students. The teacher said. The teacher is the speaker here. Said is the reporting verb. if reporting verb comes first before the quotation, you should put a comma. So here the teacher said, after the word said, you should put a comma. And after that quotation mark starts, you must. After that quotation starts, you must not cheat. You, that is the first word in reporting clause. So that word should start with a capital letter, U. You write Y in a capital letter. You should not cheat. And after that a full stop. So sentence finished there. Remember, you should put the quotation marks in direct speech. Next, I firmly told her, comma, this should not happen again. I firmly told her. Here, who is the speaker? I is the speaker. So that word I, that should be in capital letter I. I should told her. After that, you should put a comma, because after the verb only the quotation marks comes. Which is the verb here? A reported verb. It is called a reported verb. What is a reported verb here? Told. That is a reported verb here. And reporting clause. The words which are written in quotation marks. This should not happen again. That is the reporting clause. Next sentence. They surprised me by shouting, happy birthday. In this sentence, who is the speaker? They. They surprised me by shouting. And which is the reporting verb? Shouting. Shout, shouting. After that, put a comma. Then, reported clause. Which is the reported clause here? Happy birthday. Reported clause should be within the inverted commas. Remember that. So like this, you should write the direct speech. Next page, practice time. Identify and write the introducing verbs and the reported clauses in the following sentences. Introducing verb, a reporting verb. Identify it. One has done for you. The principal warned, comma. You must not break any rules. Full stop. Close the quotation. Warned is the introducing verb here. Reporting verb, introducing verb. That is warned. And you must not break any rules is the reported clause. Second sentence. Sushma said, comma, I love singing and dancing. Here, which is the reported verb? Introducing verb. Said. Said is the introducing verb. And which is the reporting clause? I love singing and dancing. That is the reporting clause. Next sentence. Radhika complained, it is so hot here in Rajasthan. In this sentence, which word is the introducing verb? Complained. Complained is the introducing verb. And which is reporting clause? It is so hot here in Rajasthan. That is reporting clause. Seven more sentences are given there. 4 to 10. Students, I think you understood. What is the direct speech? And you understood the points which you should remember. And in these exercises, you do yourself from 4 to 10. You should write in these sentences which is the introducing verb and which is the reporting verb. So it is your homework. Next day we will learn indirect speech. So read this grammar and learn this and remember the points. Thank you.